This is the new 13-inch model of the Surface laptop. Right off the bat, the first thing you'll probably notice is its sleek, thin design. It weighs only around 1.22 kilograms, so this laptop is built for portability. In fact, it's the lightest Surface laptop in the range, being around 10% lighter than the Surface Laptop 13.8-inch and over 30% lighter than the 15-inch model. So whether you want to edit photos in a cafe, write notes in a lecture, or maybe even take it with you on a business trip, it feels super easy to pop in your bag and go without weighing you down. Now, I clearly love a bright style, so it's also great to see some fresh new colours with this laptop. This colour right here is Ocean, which is a metallic teal colour. But we do also have another new colour choice with Violet if you fancy getting your hands on a beautiful purple Surface. And of course, there's still the Platinum option if you want to keep it a bit more classic. Not only are the colours a fun way to show off your style, but they also look nice and premium thanks to this anodized aluminium casing. So let's flip this device around and take a look at this beautiful 13-inch Pixel Sense touchscreen here. It's got a 1920 by 1280 resolution with 178 ppi and a refresh rate of up to 60 Hz. So whether you're browsing or streaming, the visuals are nice and crisp. We have a 1080p webcam up at the top of the screen right here, so you'll always look great. But you'll also have great audio thanks to the dual studio mics and omnisonic speakers with Dolby Premium audio. Moving down, we have our backlit keyboard with a nice large precision touchpad. You'll also notice that this keyboard includes the Copilot key right here for quick access to the Copilot app. And for security and ease, Windows Hello is integrated right into the power button here through a fingerprint reader, so you can instantly log into your PC as soon as you power it on. Flipping the device around, we can see that there are two USB-C ports and one USB-A port over on this side, as well as a headphone jack. If you've had a Surface device before, you may be thinking, where's the magnetic charging port gone? Well, now the Surface laptop doesn't need to come with a power supply unit, as any USB-C charger with a minimum of 40 watts will charge this device. It will also support fast charging with a USB-C charger over 60 watts. This not only saves some space in the box, but also means less plastic is used to create a charger, so you might not actually need it if you already have one. Let's talk about battery life. With up to 23 hours of local video playback, this laptop means you barely have to worry about charging it during a busy day. So no scrambling for chargers midway through a meeting or panicking if you forgot to pack it on a filming day. Not that I would ever do that. Now, having such impressive battery longevity doesn't mean sacrificing power. Under the hood, the Surface Laptop 13-inch runs on the Snapdragon X Plus processor with 8 cores. This means smooth performance whether you're multitasking, video calling, or running your favourite apps. With 16GB of RAM and storage options of either 256GB or 512GB UFS storage, you also get plenty of room and speed to keep you going. And let's not forget that powering the unique copilot+pc AI experiences is the Qualcomm Hexagon NPU with 45 TOPS, perfect for features like recall. Recall helps you retrace whatever you may have done on your device recently by taking snapshots of your screen roughly every 3 to 5 seconds if you switch Recall on. For instance, a few weeks ago, I found a new baking recipe for bread rolls that I want to try and make this weekend. But of course, I've closed the browser tab and now I cannot remember what website the recipe was on or even what the recipe was called. I'm fairly sure they were made with butternut squash though. With Recall, finding the recipe is easy, as I can just use the fingerprint reader power button to quickly log into Recall and then either use this timeline to head back to when I was browsing the web, or I can simply type in butternut in the search bar up top and it pulls up that past moment, even though they were actually called winter squash rolls, not butternut squash. I can open back up the web page or document if it still exists just down here, and that saved me a fair bit of searching time. Now, Recall is a completely opt-in experience that's only available on a Copilot+pc. And if you'd like to find out more about it, check out the video right here. So what do you think? This Surface Laptop 13-inch isn't just about stunning looks. It packs a punch with extended battery life and innovative AI that fits perfectly into a highly mobile lifestyle. It's a great addition to the Surface laptop range. And if you'd like to see how it compares to the other currently available Surface laptops, be sure to subscribe as that video will be coming soon. Also, if you've enjoyed this overview or have any thoughts and questions about this device, or even about recall, drop a comment down below. But that's all from me though today, so I'll see you on the next one. Bye!